How to mute specific contacts on Messenger.
Hello there, Messenger users. If you've ever wondered how to turn off messages for specific contacts on Messenger, you've landed on the right tutorial. Today, we will walk through the simple steps that allow you to control who can send you messages and when. Let's get started.
Why would you want to mute specific contacts?
We all have those contacts who can be a little too chatty. Maybe it's a group chat that keeps buzzing at all hours or a friend who messages a bit too often. Muting specific contacts or conversations can help you maintain your peace of mind and allow you to focus on important tasks. Now let's find out how to do it.
How to mute a specific contact on Messenger.
Step 1. Open your Messenger app on your phone. Step 2. Navigate to the Chats section and find the conversation with the contact you want to mute. Step 3. Tap and hold on the conversation until a menu pops up. Step 4. Select the Mute option from this menu. You will then be asked to select the duration for which you want to mute the conversation. This can be 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or indefinitely until you decide to unmute it. Step 5. Once you've selected the duration, the conversation will be muted for that period. You'll still receive the messages, but your phone won't vibrate or make a sound when they arrive. Note: muting a conversation does not delete the conversation or block the user. You can still read the messages and reply when you are ready.
How to unmute a specific contact on Messenger.
When you're ready to start receiving notifications from this conversation again, follow these steps. Step 1. Go back to the Chats section and find the muted conversation. Step 2. Tap and hold on the conversation until a menu appears. Step 3. Select the Unmute Notifications option from this menu. You'll start receiving notifications for this conversation again. And there you have it. Now you know how to mute and unmute specific contacts on Messenger. We hope this tutorial was helpful and made your Messenger experience a little more peaceful. Remember, technology is there to make our lives easier and not more stressful. So, use these features to your advantage. Thanks for watching.